Ever wonder what to do with the rotisserie chicken you see at the supermarket? I've got a guilt-free, delicious dish for you.
Add tahini, olive oil, lemon, pepper, and salt. Mix it all up. Then pour in your diced chicken. Get that mixed. Some diced celery. And of course, my United with Earth chopped dates. Love this for a little added sweetness. Fill my little lettuce cups. Butter lettuce is really the way to go with this. Got some slivered avocado, cilantro, green onion, some pickled onion, radishes.
I mean, really, who's gonna miss carbs in a dish as pretty and as delicious as this?